If you're looking for a completely renovated house right under $1 million and on 1.5 acres, this house might be the one for you. Let's check it out. This modern farmhouse was completely renovated, and let's see exactly what the owner did. Check it out. Welcome to the inside. So right when you walk in, you'll notice the mudroom immediately to your left. And everything about this house was thoughtfully and carefully designed. So notice how tall 5'10" coat racks go up here because coats are typically taller than you. And then the ends right here, you can put your shoes there. Pretty neat. Also, you'll notice the huge area behind me. There's so much room for activities.
Look at all this floor space. So much aerobics in here. So many activities.
But yeah, I'm still walking. This is maybe 24 feet long. And then it leads right into the entertainment dream of this countertop. This is a white quartz countertop, your deep sink, brand new farmhouse fixtures. I mean, everything is brand new in this house. Really cool backsplash tile. This is actually Albany tile. It was designed from a snail. You should look it up, just Google Albany backsplash tile. Then you got your dual oven and your gas range right there. Truly a chef's dream. Something else to highlight in the kitchen is your microwave that's located right here. You don't have to hurt your back by somewhere up above. And then your stainless steel dishwasher and your double trash can. None of that trash matters because we need to see the pool. Check this out. Good gracious. What would you do with this pool? Let me know in the comments. So this pool that you see is 18 by 36 square feet. And it's got a diving board, a deep end. And then the coolest thing about this property though, is definitely the 1.5 acreage. It's so peaceful, super private. You can throw this football for days. That's right, used to play back in the day. Cornerback, now to quarterback. But seriously, this is great for families, friends, hangouts. Anything you can design and think of, you could do. If you wanted to build a garage, if you wanted to go build something that overlooks the river, because the Cumberland is just a couple 100 yards back behind there, you could do it. Or if you just want to go play football or have your dogs. I've got 2 Australian Shepherds and they would love it out here chasing football. So you never know, but let's check out the rest of what this house has to offer. It's a luxury wars, luxury lifestyle out here in Donelson, Tennessee. So something you'll notice is all of these screened in doors behind me, in front of me, everywhere. Natural light just showering this house. And where I'm standing right now is the formal dining room. Something interesting, this used to be just a pass-through. The house had a separate unit in the back. The owner creatively did a pass-through, added these walls, stepped down into here, and you can see more natural light flooding in, and then leads into an in-law suite, which is right over here. Check it out. What do you notice? Nothing, right? That's because that's where the washer and dryer would be. Not your first one, this is your second washer and dryer hookup. Dual locks for privacy. And then your second water heater. So why do I mention that? Well, because if you wanted to rent this out and cash flow this as an asset and let your house work for you so that you don't have to pay a mortgage, you could totally do that. There's a separate entrance for your car pad over there. You have your fridge, your sink, and if you wanted to add a oven right here, you totally could. Anything you can think of to make this work for a second unit or an in-law suite. And then this is the bedroom, a 11 by 12 foot bedroom with a huge walk-in closet, huge. And lastly, but not least, extra storage behind there is the bathroom. Something to note here is the bathroom leads right to the outside, so it kind of acts as a pool bathroom, but it's your full third bathroom in this house. So that is the second unit in-law suite side, perfect for multi-generational families, or if you just want to have your friends stay, rent it out as a duplex, whatever you want. So besides all that counter space in the bar, let's head to the primary on the right side of the house. Now it was redesigned like I told you, and right when we walk over here, there's a bedroom. This is a 12.5 by 12.5 square foot bedroom. Something really creative is the owner decided to make a sliding barn door with these mirrors, and it's a bifold door. So it adds to the luxury, floor to ceiling windows out front. And then the bedroom to the right, this is the third front bedroom. Also very spacious, mirrors over there, party up front and in the back, you never know. And it leads into this full bathroom, the second one. And so something you'll notice is all the extra storage that the owner put in this house. He did it as if he was gonna live here. And it really does make a difference. Otherwise, you're the one who's having to build it and do it. You know, like, why did the builder not do that? Well, we already got you this house. Last but not least, we're walking into the primary bedroom. This is in the corner right of the house. You have your brand new windows and then all the natural light, privacy, and we walk into the primary bathroom. Dual vanity, once again, thoughtfully designed, extra storage. If you need to put your razor that you shave with your face because you got a beard, because you're awesome, that's where you would charge it, in case you didn't realize what an outlet was. And your walk-in shower, commode over there, and then last but not least, huge closet. Massive, well-designed, attention to detail, and your window letting natural light in. You don't even have to change the lights on because you got the sunlight. And last but not least, I want to mention the square footage of this property. It's 3,252 square feet, extremely massive. And something to note, 4 beds, 3.5 baths, but it's all on one story in 1.5 acres. Once again, this doesn't really exist in Nashville, let alone Donelson, Tennessee. It's very rare. So if you want to take a tour, let me know, we can make that happen. Whether you're looking to raise a family or just hang out with your friends in the back with the pool, this is the perfect house for you. Any questions, let me know. We'll see you next time. Peace.